How to log into Zelle app. First of all, open the app on your phone and allow all the necessary permissions so the app can access your phone and location for smooth functionality. Next, enter your mobile number carefully and then tap on the sign in button to proceed. Agree to the terms and conditions by reading them and then hit continue to move to the next step. Now search for your bank name in the list and select it to link your account with Zelle. After that, enter your email address associated with your bank or Zelle account and tap continue to proceed. You will receive a verification code in your email. Enter this code carefully to verify your account and ensure secure login. Once your account is verified, tap enter and you will be successfully logged in and ready to use Zelle to send or receive money instantly. Now you know how to log in to Zelle app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.